If you want to change Google Calendar to 24-hour format, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your calendar time display from the standard 12-hour format to the 24-hour or military-style format in just a few simple clicks. This is really useful if you prefer seeing 13 o'clock instead of 1 o'clock p.m., especially for work schedules, travel planning, or anyone who just finds the 24-hour clock easier to read. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google tips and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once the calendar loads, look for the settings icon, which is the little gear at the top of the page. Click on Settings and then click Settings again from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the main Google Calendar settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different categories under General. From here, click Language and Region. This section controls things like your locale, date preferences, and time display options, so this is exactly where we need to be. Now, scroll through the options until you find a time format. This is the setting that controls whether your calendar shows times in 12-hour or 24-hour format. To switch to 24-hour time, select 13 on the clock. As soon as you choose that option, Google Calendar updates the time format automatically. You do not need to press a save button or confirm the change manually. That's one of the nice things about Google Calendar settings. Once it's selected, the change is applied right away. Now go back to your calendar view and you should see your times displayed in 24-hour format across the calendar. If you have any events or reminders on your schedule, they should now follow the new time display as well. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to keep your schedule clear and consistent. And just to recap, the steps are simple. Open Google Calendar, go to Settings, choose Language and Region, find Time Format, and select 13 only. That's all it takes to change Google Calendar to 24-hour format. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Google Calendar tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.